If integration 0 to pi by 4 e to the power sec x times cos x plus sin x divided by 2 times cos x minus sin 2 times x dx equals to root 2 plus 1 whole by 2 times e to the power root 2 plus k. Then evaluate 3 times ln 2 times modulus of k.
Pause the video right here and try the problem by your own. Don't take more than 3 minutes to solve the problem.
Let I equals to integration 0 to pi by 4 e to the power sec x into cos x plus sin x divided by 2 cos x minus sin 2x. I am expanding it by using multiple angle formula. It will be 2 sin x cos x, right? So we are having, I am taking cos x common from the denominator, 2 cos x common. So we are having, now I am multiplying numerator and denominator with 1 plus sin x we get. Is this much clear to everyone? Okay. I am taking half outside the integral sign. Now if I separate, we are going to get Is this clear? Now, I am grouping sec squared x and sec x tan x in one bracket, and sec squared x tan x and sec x tan squared x in another bracket. Is it clear? Now, I am separating with e to the power sec x. Is it clear? Let me rub this portion. Therefore, our integration becomes, what I am doing here is, I am integrating this first integral, leaving the second integral as it is. Just check it. I am writing the second integral as I1. Now, I am doing it separately. If I integrate sec x into sec x plus tan x, what we are going to get? For this integration, I am taking let sec x plus tan x is p, so that implies sec x tan x plus sec square x dx equals to dp. So if I take sec x common, we are left with tan x plus sec x dx is dp, right? Therefore, this integration will become integration dp only, which is nothing but your p. P means it's sec x plus tan x. So please remember this, okay? Integration of sec x plus tan x dx is nothing but sec x plus tan x. Is it clear? Now let me rub this one. Now if I integrate this, the first integral, by taking e to the power sec x as my first function and the second one as my second function, that is sec x plus tan x. This is my second function, right? Now we are applying integration by parts. So what we are going to get? Just now we have done integration of sec x into sec x plus tan x is nothing but sec x plus tan x only. ddx of e to the power sec x is e to the power sec x tan x. And integration of sec x into sec x plus tan x is only sec x plus tan x. Is it clear to everyone? Now you see, this part is nothing but your I1, isn't it? So if I put the value, what we are going to get? This one is I1. This whole part is I1, right? So this part and this part will go off. So we are left with only this part. Now let me put values pi by 4 and 0 over here. So we are getting Is it clear to everyone? First I put x equals to pi by 4. So we are going to get e to the power root 2 into root 2 plus 1. Minus, if I put 0 in place of x, we are going to get minus half over here, right? So my final answer become, okay. Now if you compare with the right hand side, we are going to get k is nothing but minus half. Is it clear? Therefore the value of 3 ln 2 mod k will be 3 ln 1, which is nothing but your 0. Is it clear? Therefore my final answer, the required value of 3 ln 2 mod k is nothing but 0. Have you understood this problem? Okay.